Welcome. When you're running a business, you often have to integrate software solutions. If you have the right cloud technology, those integrations can make major improvements to your business. This is what we call digital transformation. In this video, you'll hear 4 companies in distribution and manufacturing talk about how cloud technology is significantly improving their business. Digital transformation uses cloud technology to recreate business processes, eliminating obstacles and strengthening competitive advantage. It's built for integration with modern functionality, connected cloud technology, and 100% mobile capabilities. Plus, it simplifies integration with other key cloud business applications. Companies rely on digital transformation to enable 24/7 supply chains. They're from every industry, including medical and dental, home furnishing, health and personal care, high-tech, industrial equipment, transportation, and food and beverage. These 4 firms represent a wide range of products with real-world success. They are a maker of beautiful pewter gifts, a distributor of sinks and faucets, an online shoe retailer, and a manufacturer of packaging materials. Our first example is Danforth Pewter, located in Middlebury, Vermont.
We started Danforth Pewter in 1975 in Woodstock, Vermont. We've always had the goal of designing and making beautiful, functional things for everyday life. So we started moving into the retail business, and we now have 6 stores. And we also, along the way, knew that we needed to have an online presence. So we launched a website, and it has been major growth for us. That evolution of all of those channels of sales has both been very challenging to us and also has given us many, many opportunities for growth.
I wanted an ERP that could manage our financial data, that we could produce financial statements out of, that they could manage our order processing, orders from our website, orders that came in by phone, and that integrated with a POS system that we could afford.
Next is the Pearl division of Superprem in Richmond, British Columbia.
Superprem Industries started in 1999 as a distribution company for different home products. In 2000, we started Pearl Sinks. We had a lot of challenges because we had 4 different offices, and connectivity with those offices with the current system that we were using was very difficult. Being cloud-based, it allowed us to integrate all the data together into one system for all our staff to access that data seamlessly.
One thing we really like about Acumatica is how easy it is to integrate with third-party programs. One that we're using right now is APS. They help us with our credit card processing. We're in the works with Easy Stock, which is going to help us with our inventory management. And Scanco is one that we're going to be using soon as well with the scan guns in our warehouse.
Chewbacca is an online retailer based in Irving, Texas.
Chewbacca started as a mom-and-pop reseller on eBay, selling athletic shoes. From there, we built a fully scaled e-commerce platform. We employ just under 50 employees located here in Dallas, Texas.
We decided on Acumatica because we were looking for an ERP that could also act as a backbone for all of our other systems. Something that would integrate with our e-commerce platform, our warehouse management solution, and business intelligence reporting suites.
We had a lot of problems having our systems communicate and work together. Ultimately, we were having to patch this with homegrown solutions.
Because of Acumatica's customizability, we've been able to work with our partners to create custom integrations that make the business work to our business processes. We're able to integrate all of those systems natively into the ERP, and that reduces the amount of development that we have to do in-house. We use Acumatica integrated with Magento using Kinsium's e-commerce connector and Fusion for warehouse management.
Now we're fully integrated and we're using it across all facets of our business.
And our 4th example is Corpac from Bloomingdale, Illinois.
Corpac is a full-service provider of packaging supplies, ranging anything from stock boxes and tapes, all the way up to high-end retail packaging that you'd see on the shelves at your local grocery store. Technology is important, and so is customizations in our industry because it's a relatively low-margin, high-volume type industry.
Acumatica works seamlessly with third-party applications. We use APS, AccuShip, Fusion, POS, Later this year, we're implementing Acumatica Manufacturing Edition, which will allow us to more accurately do demand planning and resource planning around our operations.
I definitely recommend Acumatica to anybody looking for an ERP system. And I don't think a lot of the other software platforms can give you that type of flexibility without needing a whole IT department.
We appreciate Danforth, SuperPrem, Chewbacca, and CorePak sharing their stories about digital transformation. With Acumatica, you get secure, private data, unlimited users, fast response times, and personalized dashboards, reporting, and business intelligence. Best of all, you have access to your business information anywhere, anytime, and on any device. It's easy to learn more about connected business technology. Contact us for a demo of how Acumatica can help you integrate your systems.